Beep, you look upset. How are you feeling in this moment? I'm here for you, Beep. How about I show you a breathing exercise to help us feel calmer and more relaxed? It's called rainbow breathing. Try following along as I show you how to do it. Place your finger here on the pink cloud. We'll trace our finger across the red arch until we reach the pink cloud on the other side. Let's start breathing in through your nose while tracing your finger along the red arch. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. Now breathe out your mouth while tracing yellow. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. Now breathe in through your nose while tracing green. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. Now breathe out of your mouth while tracing blue. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. I'm so glad we did this together. How are you feeling now, Beep? I'm glad. You seem calmer and more relaxed. I have an idea. Would you like me to show you how to draw your own rainbow breathing picture? Great! Okay, grab your art supplies so we can learn to draw together. Starting here, we'll draw a puffy cloud in the bottom left corner of our page. Lovely! Starting here, we'll draw another puffy cloud on the other side. Next, we'll draw 5 arching lines for each color of the rainbow. Remember, if you need more time to draw, you can pause the video at any time. Our drawing looks wonderful. What I love about rainbows is how colorful they are. Let's color ours in. I'm going to use pink to color each cloud. Now I'm going to choose red for the top arch of our rainbow. Next, I'll choose yellow. Green comes next. And finally, I'll choose blue to finish our rainbow. I'm excited too, Beep. We used rainbow breathing to help us feel calm and relaxed when we were upset earlier. We can also use rainbow breathing when we are excited. Let's try rainbow breathing one more time to help us feel calm and relaxed. Place your finger here on the pink cloud. We'll trace our finger across the red arch until we reach the pink cloud on the other side. Let's start breathing in through your nose while tracing your finger along the red arch. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. Now breathe out your mouth while tracing yellow. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. Now breathe in through your nose while tracing green. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. Now breathe out of your mouth while tracing blue. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. How are you feeling now, Beep? I'm glad to hear that you feel calm and relaxed. Thank you for letting me show you rainbow breathing and how to draw a rainbow today. I look forward to seeing you next time.